What is going on, everybody, and welcome to the video. Today we are going to cover one of the most important topics if you're thinking about building a new construction home this year, and that is the process. It's one of the most frequently asked questions I get as a new home sales consultant, and I think it's important to go through the process of building a new construction home. Now, we're not going to go through the stages of construction, but we are going to go through the home buyer meetings, the design center meetings, the deposits that are due, when documents get signed. We're going to cover all the bases so that you know what to expect from the process side of building a new construction home. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is select your floor plan along with your structural or flex options. These are going to be the options that the architects use to change the actual structure of the home. These can be things like a sliding glass door, an extended covered patio, closing in a study, or extending bedrooms or adding bathrooms. These need to be decided up front. That way the architects know how to do your address-specific floor plan. You're also going to want to make sure that you select your home site. This is going to be the lot that you choose to build on. Considerations for this can include lake frontage, road frontage, anything that's important to you when it comes to the facing of your new home. Also keep in mind the direction the sun sets. Some people do like to have the shade in the back. Some people like the sun in the back. So think about this and discuss it before you make a home site selection. Once these selections are made, you're going to need to pick your exterior colors. There may be a community-specific color book, or your builder may have a variety of selections to choose from. You're going to need to pick a brick or stone, as well as any paint colors for the exterior of the home. The reason this is done so early in the process is because these need to go to the Architectural Review Committee for approval before construction starts. Once these items are complete, you're going to need to go ahead and sign your purchase agreement and any paperwork that may go along with the purchase of the home, as well as pay your earnest money and any required option deposit up front. Earnest money ranges from $3,000 to $15,000, depending on the builder and the price of the home. Once all of your paperwork has been completed and your option and earnest money have been received, you will receive a call to schedule your design center meeting. Most builders offer 1 to 2 design center meetings, and you'll either use the builder's private design center or a third-party design studio. Some even offer the ability to make selections in the model. So make sure you discuss with your salesperson what the process is going to look like for you. Once you've completed your design center appointments, you're going to schedule a pre-construction meeting. This will be with your salesperson and your personal builder, and they're going to sit down with you and go over all of the selections that were made at the design center, as well as add things like additional plugs, lighting, prep for plumbing fixtures, and other pre-construction items which should be on a pre-construction checklist that you'll be given. Once you complete this meeting, it's time to go ahead and pay your option deposit and get construction started. The normal time frame between the pre-construction meeting and construction starting is 2 weeks, but this can differ from community to community based on permitting times and any other factors on the back end for the builder. Once construction starts, the fun begins. They'll pour your concrete, frame the home, do the cornice, roof, and then put in all the plumbing and electrical. And once this happens, you'll have a pre-construction meeting. At the pre-construction meeting, you're going to want to take lots of photos of your home to make sure that you see exactly where all the different wires and plumbing is in the walls, so that when you're hanging things or installing things in the future, you've got a record of exactly where they go. The pre-drywall meeting is also the time when you're going to want to confirm that all of the additional selections that you've added to the home, such as plugs and lights, have been installed and are in a location that works for you. It's much harder to move things after the drywall goes up. The construction process will continue until your home is complete. At this time, you will have a homebuyer introduction meeting where your personal builder will walk you through the home and explain maintenance, how things work, where shutoffs are, and give you all the information about living in your new construction home. This is also where you'll want to bring up any outstanding items the builder has to complete, as well as go through the home and note any cosmetic items that need touched up before closing. Once your builder completes the home, they'll want you to go ahead and sign it off, and you're off to the closing table. Once you've closed on your home and the funds have been received by the builder, you can stop by the sales office and pick up your keys. Shortly after that, you'll meet with a warranty representative to do a warranty orientation meeting. They will explain to you exactly how to get in contact with them, how to open a ticket and file any claims with warranty. This is an important process because there's no perfect home, and if you ever have an issue, you'll want to know who and how to get a hold of them. That pretty much sums up the new construction process. As always, if you've got something you'd like me to make a video about, go ahead and drop that in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.